Hi, it's me again with Corel Drill Tips and Tricks, and somebody left me an email. Or no, they did on Facebook, I think. How can you figure out the length of a line that's on an angle? And they also asked how you could change the length of that line. There's really no way. You could probably do it mathematically. And somebody already told them on Facebook, use the parallel dimension tool and then clicked on that node, and you got 5.87 inches. But you can also click on that line, go to Windows, Dockers, and Object Properties, and click right here to Curve. And it tells you right here this line is 5.87. I've got my extension set real long, but it's 5.87340 long. So there's two ways. I'm going to work on try to figure out how you could figure out to change the length of this line if you needed to, maybe mathematically, but that would be another video. I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.